The meetings can wait. The trails won't. Someday isn't on the calendar. It starts today. Trade the noise for nature. Trade the desk for discovery. Power through. No limits, no excuses. Grip, climb, conquer. Another trail conquered, another limit pushed. The terrain changes, your power doesn't. Your journey isn't just about where you go, it's about how you feel when you get there. Every ride, a story. Every trail, a new chapter. Strength isn't just in the bike, it's in you. From rocky paths to rushing streams, Terra takes you further. The world is yours to explore. Ride it. Terra by Ainohot, power for every trail.
Ainohot. Journey better, live better.